In this video, I'll be showing you how to automate LinkedIn connection requests with personalized messages generated by AI using an open source script that runs locally through natural language. Just a disclaimer, recently LinkedIn has changed the limit of personalized connection requests per month to 5 for free accounts. LinkedIn Premium is now required for more. Our first step is to open a new browser tab and go to scripty.me. You're then going to click download now. For Windows, you can simply click this button. If you're using Mac, click whichever version you're using and make sure to follow the installation guide to properly install Scripty. We're going to start by downloading it for Windows. Once the installation is complete, simply launch the exe and press install. Once Scripty finishes launching, it will request to log in with Google. Currently, GitHub is not available. Simply click login with Google, the Google account you want to use, and open the assistant. So now we're going to wait for Scripty to complete the setup. It may take a few minutes depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is. Now that Scripty is done setting up, we can now use the LinkedIn connector tool. So if we go to the sidebar and go to My Scripts, we can view all of them. And here we have a LinkedIn connector. And the code is all open source, so you can click on the View button and it'll show here. So we can start by analyzing the arguments, where it takes in a title, job title to search for, location, maximum number of connections, and a custom prompt. So if we go back to Scripty, the assistant, as it uses natural language, we can just type in a command. So send LinkedIn connections to technical recruiting managers, which is a role I'm targeting in Toronto, the area I'm targeting. And here's some additional info for sending. This is some context for the AI when it's writing the personalized message. And this will definitely help and give better results with better context. You can write more if needed, but keep it simple to about 1 to 3 sentences max. So here we're saying I'm a CS student at U of T with full stack dev experience, and we're looking for new grad software engineering positions. So once I send it, the assistant will load the script, and this all runs locally. And it'll launch a browser window as it uses Selenium. And all you have simply just log in with your email and password. And none of this is sent to Scripty's databases as the script is running locally. You can view the code to make sure. So as you can see, the script is now automatically searching with the filters provided. It adds in the location, the role, and then it'll go through each profile, adding a note. And then as you can see, the invitation was sent with the provided information and it was personalized with AI. And it's just going to keep going until with a default of 50 as a limit. I would recommend doing batches of 10 to avoid any issues with your LinkedIn account, but you could keep running it if you want. If you want to make sure everything worked, you can go to the LinkedIn sent invitations and check it. As you can see, all of them were sent with personalized invitations as a CS student with a passion for full stack development. And it also included all of the extra info I gave the AI. Occasionally, there could be issues, but generally, it should go something like this. You can add additional instructions as to the context limit or where character limit. It's set to 200, which could cause issues such as this. If you add explicit instructions, though, the AI will use it to override, and you can review this all in the code. So one very common question would be, does this actually work? So as you can see, I have a lot of sent connections and even some with actual notes, and they still have no response. Results are vary a lot. And it's really a numbers game. The more you send, the higher chance you'll have responses and get better results. We actually met our startup mentor through this way. We just sent connections while we were testing the script, and somehow someone responded. He was an angel investor, and we decided to have a meeting. And now he's been mentoring us for about 2 or 3 months. So it does work, and don't give up. Just keep sending connections, and eventually someone will respond. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful and Scripty very easy to use. It is completely free and we have many other tools. So if I go to the My Scripts page again, as you can see, there are a lot of small tools and we also have a few more that are especially helpful for landing your first internship or just job search in general. We have a job searcher, a resume optimizer, and that's it for now. We will be adding more in the future. All of this is completely free. The scripts are open source. If you have any question, just let us know in the comments, or you can go to scripty.me/community and make a post there. And our support team will be happy to help you.